Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna see how to install the Eclipse IDE in your on your Windows machine. So for that, I'm just gonna open my browser. I'm using Chrome browser, but you can use any of them. And then just say download. Oh, Eclipse is already there. Cool. Then click on this one from eclipse.org. Once you click on, I believe it just directs you, it checks your machine and it gives you the recommendation. I mean, it tells you that you can download this one. Just click on the download button here. Then you will see another download button. Then click on the download button. It will automatically going to start the download. Once it's finished, just click on whatever you see here, or you can just open and go to the folder and then double click on it. I'm just gonna click from here. Okay, so then this kind of window you will see on your screen. When you see this, this is the Eclipse versions for different development programs, for C, for PHP, or for Java and stuff. But we're gonna choose the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Just click on it, and whatever, if you have Java in your installed in your machine, it's gonna pick it automatically. But if you have different versions, that you can choose it. But this one is okay. Go with the Java JDK, whatever version it is. You can, if you want to see the shortcut on your desktop, you can check this. But if you don't want to see, and you can uncheck this. But I will keep both of them checked, and then I will click on install. There is this user agreement. Basically, you just need to say, read all of them, and then say accept. Now, and let's wait for installing process finish. Once it's finished, you will see this launch button that will open the Eclipse on your computer right away automatically, or you can just close it and open it by yourself. And I'll just click on this launch. And you will see that it will ask you to select the directory as a workspace. So if you don't have a good reason to change this location, just don't change it. So let's keep it the way it is. So whatever you're gonna do by this Eclipse IDE will be stored in this location. Okay, and launch it. Okay, now our Eclipse is ready. Let me just, okay, maximize it. So you will see this welcome page, tutorials, samples, what's new and stuff. It's not, if you want to go ahead and then check it out and see what's going on, but it's not important. You can just click on here and then close it. If you don't have any project in your computer yet, you can click on here and create a Java project. So that's basically Eclipse installation. It's a very easy process. The rest we're gonna see on the next videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.